who is the most important. My wahine is here. She's Camille. She's one of the legal observers.
Andre, Aloha Aina.
Hey, Aloha Aina. Kia'i Mauna.
ABC. CBS.
They make it up. We hope this helps our cause protect this mountain.
You're turning around. You're turning around up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're turning around.
Yeah. You're coming down.
Coming down. They're in Holam.
They're in Holam.
Onipa'a.
Onipa'a kako.
They turned around.
Secretary of State.
Success. See, now come on, no matter what.
Political prisoner.
Always stand. You can change the world for the better no matter what. You can do it. As long as you do it in a couple of aloha, anything is possible.
Aloha. Aloha Aina.
Might as well just let us go.
Turn them around. They CBS.
Set us free. Set us free. Set us free. I never tell them my name anyway, so it's not like they go home.
If I just start running through the bushes, I was thinking the guy might chase me. I was going, if he pays me and I shit my pants. Oh, yeah, I said, fuck that.
Hey, welcome Aliva. We do this for you guys, yeah?
Right here.
All the way to the end. Protect your Aina.
Kamali Kia'i.
Kia'i Mauna.
Kia'i Mauna. Look at me. Mountain. You're hiding your face. Okay.
Andy.
Yes.
Jessica,
Yes, sir.
how you heard that they're coming back down?
Just went clear when you guys was getting in and they turning around. That's what all the cheering was.
Oh, that thing made national news.
It is now.
Wow.
CBS, Global, ABC coming right up.
Awesome.
You see that now, Kamali? You see the power of Aloha? Yeah?
Kapu Aloha.
All these guns.
If I could, I leave you guys in this van, but it's not up to me.
Kapu Aloha. Onipa'a.
Onipa'a. Blow, baby. Blow. You can. Good one. May kaimahalo.
The Humane Society job.
Oh! Maybe pour water.
Yeah, we'll pour water.